Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for October 19th. We're looking at the US Japanese yen pair. I'm expecting this session to move between 102.14 on the high side, on the low side 122. So look for the session to move between those 2 points. Look for support a little bit higher at 150. As far as resistance goes, I'm looking pretty much at the same area for the high part of the range. Now looking at the Euro USD pair, this particular pair did gap up a little bit, but I believe is moving down. I expect this session to move between 135.56, and on the lower side, look for it to move between 133.36. As far as support and resistance goes, looking pretty much at these same levels for our support and resistance over this next session. Now I am also looking for a break of this low. We had an inside bar, if you notice, that was created on Friday's session. So most likely this will be to the downside. I'm looking for a break of this low, and at that point going short. You may want to definitely want to pay attention to this session's low. That's where previous support came in, and we could see a move between those 2 points, between this session's low and this session's low, which could be a pretty decent move. And it could also, if we break this session's low, we could see the signal of this pair moving even lower. Let's switch over to the pound. There we go. Moving a little slow today. Hang on one second. There we go. Sorry about that. This pair closed even on Friday. I'm anticipating a breakout. We've had it kind of consolidating, moving sideways for the most part over the past several days, several sessions. I am expecting it to move between 174.24 on the high side. On the low side, I'm looking for the market to move between 171.61, and look for support and resistance pretty much at those same areas. And you definitely want to keep this on your radar. The range was really small on Friday, and we had not an inside bar, but a doji bar. We could definitely see a breakout during this next session. So keep an eye on that particular pair. Let's take a look at the US Swiss. This particular pair created an inside bar also on Friday. We could have a break to the upside or the downside on this particular pair, most likely to the upside. If we get a breakout, look for a little bit above this session's high for that to occur, and then go long. I am expecting the session to move between 114.33 on the high side, on the low side 112.57. Now look for some resistance to come into this market around 11400, and then as far as support goes, look for support around 113.16. Now looking ahead, we have the New Zealand dollar has our consumer price being released for the third quarter. It's the consensus is that it is the same as last quarter at 1.6%. Year to date, though, it looks like the consensus is that it has increased from 4% up to 5.1%. So if this comes out and it's much better than expected, or worse than expected to a large degree in either direction, really, we could definitely see the New Zealand US dollar move on that news. So you definitely want to keep an eye out on that particular news announcement. Well, that about does it for today. Until tomorrow, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.